Hi, I am MJ and welcome to my dreams. Before I give you a tour, here's a quick list of our destinations. First is better justice system. Second is quality education for everyone. Third is better healthcare system. Fourth is to eradicate poverty. And fifth is appreciation for agriculture. These are my Filipino dreams. My idea of a Filipino dream is when each Filipino has a fair shot at life, when anyone could be themselves and not slaves of a poor system or chaotic society, when issues we are suffering right now are gone, to be free from the shackles that are keeping us from having a better quality of life. Let us now go to my first dream, the dream of a better justice system. This is my Filipino dream because I think we do not have a real one right now. Yes, we live in a democratic country, and we have a justice system, but it doesn't serve us Filipinos well. Victims of our poor justice system influenced me into this dream. Ever heard the news about a lola being caught for stealing canned goods? But Imelda Marcos, whose family stole billions from the Filipino people, was considered for being old. It breaks my heart, but I am now more determined and motivated to see our justice system be fair for everyone, because it is what we Filipinos have always deserved. Next is the quality education for everyone. 9% of Filipinos, or almost 1 out of 10, aged 6 to 24 years old are not in school. It may sound not that alarming, but that is actually 3.6 million out of school children and youth. It would be a dream come true to have every Filipino child in school because I believe education is next to equity, and that it has the capability to pull anyone out of life's vulnerability. Every Filipino child dreaming is my inspiration for this dream, and I am very determined to see them enjoy the basic right that they were deprived of. I would love to see them get a fair chance in achieving their own dreams. Third is to have a better healthcare system. 325,000 Filipinos have already been affected by COVID-19 and 5,000 of them already died. With the health crisis going on today due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I realized having a better healthcare system is one of the needs every Filipino deserves to have. I think we could have saved more lives if our healthcare system is not left behind. If we could just have an equal system where anyone could be treated fairly regardless of your social status, if we could just have better facilities, enough equipments, and properly paid medical workers, it could have made a lot of difference. Our fallen heroes, the frontliners, inspired me into this dream because they risked their lives for the better good of all. And I would really want to see every Filipino people afford better healthcare service, that even in the right to get a proper medical treatment, no one gets left behind. Second to the last is to eradicate poverty. Poverty is one of the Philippines' greatest problems, and to be saved from poverty would be a dream come true to every Filipino. Being poor always gets an individual at the bottom of the society, from having not enough food at the table up to getting other necessities. Others are even homeless. According to UNICEF, every day, 95 children in the Philippines die from malnutrition. 27 out of 1,000 Filipino children do not get past their 5th birthday. Children who do not get to live their life because of malnutrition caused by poverty are my inspiration. I never want that to happen to anyone anymore, and I am very motivated to see Filipino children happy, alive, and fulfilling their dreams. I am also very motivated to see every Filipino not just working to survive another day, but to also live their dreams. I would love to see their smiles while living a life free of baggage brought by poverty. And lastly, this dream is dedicated to our farmers, the backbone of our country, yet one of the most underappreciated ones. It has always been my dream for every Filipino to see the significance of agriculture. There are times when people look at being a farmer as one of the lowest jobs anyone could have. But without our farmers, we could not have a full stomach. They are my inspiration. Sadly, even though they work very hard, they only get a little consolation, and sometimes they do not even get one. I would really love to see our farmers get the appreciation that they deserve. Of course, with appreciation comes proper treatment to them. Just price of palay, better technology and education, and protection to the land that they are using. And that is all. You can notice these are our country's problems, but it is my dream for every Filipino to live a life without having to worry about this. I do not dream of an extravagant life for everyone. What I want is a better service, a just system, and a fair chance at life.